class tickets to the Gap Town. Let's go! What the hell happened? Bad? What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe. I'm filming, bro. What do you think? I'm talking to myself? Here with Bryce and Michael. We're gonna go take a look at their cars now. We're finally going to run this car on camera because I don't think I've ever actually featured my 1/8.
Yeah, that was like 6 years ago.
Bro, on God. So the Homestead Speedway is going to be a track that only gives us about 1/8 of a mile, not the quarter. All right, so let's get a look at these guys' car. Here is Michael's Rapid Blue Camaro LT1. I've uploaded about 3 videos, a review, a POV drive, and just a ASMR pure sound exhaust clips. Right next to him, we have Bryce's E92 M3, which is gonna be an interesting race. He actually challenged me today to face him at the 1/8. So hopefully I can get my launching down packed. You guys excited?
But let's go because...
Yeah, let's go, let's start heading out. Damn it! There's a line to get into Homestead Speedway. Usually the line that we experience starts all the way over there where the buildings are. So I'm just gonna turn off the car while I wait at this point. Are you happy waiting this line?
Mr. Late.
Facts. All right, so we're inching a little bit closer. Look at the line forming behind us. Oh, jeez. Thank you. That never gets old. Gosh, look at the line over here, guys.
It's not your first time, right?
Nope.
Do you have pants?
I do not.
Do you have something to cover your legs?
I got a shit ton of these, man.
Do you have anything bigger?
Let me check it out.
But what the hell?
All right, guys, so we finally have the solution here. Let's do that 2-step. But anyways, guys, you gotta basically cover this area here. I guess if there's a fire, you don't burn yourself. This line is freaking insane. Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna let this cool down. Are you ready to get first class tickets to the Gap Town, or?
That's you, bro.
No, that's you, bro.
First class. Gonna be fucking economy, bro.
Are you prepared to lose?
No, you, dude. Let's see what happens.
Let's see if we can get a better shot of all of these guys taking off.
If I saw this on the street, I'd be like, oh yeah, I can gap it easy.
I can explain.
With my boy in the vet. Yo, vet off-roading. What's good, bro?
Be aspirated.
Yo, what's good? Bro, I just saw him run. Dog, I had no idea that was your dad. I want to see this race. A 335 IS versus the M3.
No,
That'd be nice.
right.
Yeah? You think?
Trouble.
A bit of eso, bro. At the dig, you got him. I mean, you can't even get me, so it's fine.
Looks nice, my boy.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem, bro.
Are you right behind me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you, thank you.
On YouTube.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think on YouTube.
Wait, which is the lane that has the best grip? Left? Bro, but let me have the left, bro. You have no power at all. I need to win this match, and not only to prove to Bryce that my car is faster from a dig, but also because I waited 2 hours for this moment. So we gotta get this done, and done right. Damn, they're moving. I felt it. It sounds so good, man. All right, so let's go ahead and put the little blankie.
So is that a gap cam? Oh no.
I think I did it. I'm not really sure, guys. Wait, did I like imagine it going to green? Let me ask this guy, since he's the one that has the official like time slip.
I can't give you your ticket yet because they haven't finished the race yet. So it hasn't printed me nothing out for you.
Wait, so didn't it hit green?
It did hit green, but since he hasn't ran over the finish line on his side yet, it's still trying to get his time. It's still counting.
So he needs...
Okay, this should be you.
Thank you so much, man.
Hey, no problem.
8-7. Damn.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Is on Sunday, October the 23rd.
Okay. Is it in neutral?
Visit Homestead Miami's Harry's Hard Lemonade Beach Bash.
Am I reading this text right?
Bro, do you hear it?
No.
Oh my god, it's bad. I don't know if it's the axle or the diff.
Oh, where are you right now?
Bro,
You're still at the spot?
yeah.
Oh my god. All right, let me walk over there.
All right, hop back in.
Right here at Homestead Miami Speedway. Visit HomesteadMiamiSpeedway.com.
That was the guy right behind me. So I ran all this way just for, I guess Bryce is gone, not sure. Jesus Christ. What the hell happened? Bad? What? What?
Oh my god! I don't think that's supposed to be dragging that low.
How did that happen?
Like I launched, like I was spinning, then I shifted, and then I was like, bro, what?
Does anything spin or no?
I can drive the engine, but I can't.
No, you don't hear anything spinning?
If you don't try it out.
Your diff is literally touching the floor.
I know. Yeah, I heard it like dragging it along. Like I was gonna be with the...
Now he's gonna be like, oh!
Hold on.
You know how there was a hold up?
Yeah, what happened?
I blew the diff.
You blew the diff?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's so bad that it's like sagging on the floor.
My exhaust got banged up.
All right, guys, so the moment of truth is a 5th generation Camaro SS, a 13-year-old Camaro SS, faster than a 2022 Camaro LT1. Let's let the numbers do the talking. Let's get the light in here. What the hell is this?
I definitely messed up the launch. I let go of the gas a little bit, and then it went past the 3. It went past the 3, and then it was the tree was already counting down, so it was like too late. I had a feeling something bad happened because like I saw you guys go, and then I didn't see anyone go for a while, and then I heard something about a jack or something like that, and I'm like, oh no,
dude. Bryce, I'm laughing, but this is like deep down my heart is sinking right now.
No, he was my only car. Yeah.
Well, at least it sounds good. Oh. What did you put in first?
Yeah, first.
Did you race your car?
Yeah, 8.7
Against Bryce?
Against Bryce, but he had his thing and Alright guys, so I'm now walking back to my car to get the GoPros to give it to Justin, since he's another guy that we know here. I want to see what he does with that L99 automatic 6-speed. License and registration, sir.
This is one of my
How are you? Gabriel, nice to meet you. Are you cool with me putting a GoPro on your car when you race him?
Sure.
Sweet. Alright, so now we're going to set up the GoPros for this base C6 Corvette with the 400 horsepower. This is the automatic. My friend Justin, he's also 400 horsepower, 6-speed automatic transmission. Very curious to see how this comes out. I mean, this is about what, 3,200 pounds? And the Camaros come in at around 38.9, 39. So quite a big difference in weight, but you know, it all depends on who launches better.
It didn't fall down anymore. Like it just lifted it up, and this is what it looks like under. It just stayed like that, so I don't know.
Why are you running?
I challenge your Camaro. All right, and then I say, nah, bro, the launches are harder on my car. Something goes wrong, I ain't got the cash to fix it, and then a horn. Nah, man, you're What do you mean? I feel bad for everybody that has to wait now because of this. Let's see what we got up to bat here. 2 Mustang GTs. Oh, I see a C8 and a C7. That should be a pretty good race. $545, dude. What? Some Camaro Corvette action right here. What you get? What you get?
9.3 reaction time 0.1.
Oh, good reaction time though. What you get, bro?
8.7.
8.7? Holy shit.
I got a better launch than him, that's for sure.
For sure, yeah. And the reaction time?
In the video, you can see he caught up with me quick.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice.
Bro, I have the video. I literally had a better launch than him, but he catched up quicker.
Bryce, at any point in time today, did you think that you were going to be riding with me back home? to make a deaf man cringe.
Do you raise microphone?
No, not yet. I want to do it though. The bike, bro. Good shift?
That was a good shift. Why not go left shift?
No.
I love when the guy goes like,
Yeah, that's how you know it's strong. Bro, that is crazy how much pops from factory. Yo, the burbles and backfire from factory is crazy. Like, that's insane. Damn, no parking. Guys, look at the rapid blue versus the aqua blue. Look at this, guys. After the race, everybody pulls up to get chicken.
I think it's hype, bro.
It's hype, yeah? What do you think, Michael? You've eaten here already, right?
No, I haven't.
Holy shit. Hello. All right, so now we're gonna try chicken.
No crazy.
Oh, you went all out, bro. Sauce.
That's good.
Stop looking at me, please. That was good. We just finished eating at Raising Cane's. I think it's a little bit of a hype. What a fun day. Very exciting. A lot of things happened today. We hit a new record for the Camaro, an 8.7 flat. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. It helps out tremendously with the algorithm. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.